Hey, Room 138 friends. So this is Miss Jessica's kids, Audrie and Jameson. And today we're going to make a cake and do some math. All right, we're going to get started. First, what's it say on that box, Audrie?
1 cup of water.
So Audrie's going to get 1 cup of water using this measuring cup. I'm going to open the cake mix right now. It says set the oven to 350 degrees. So that is something we're doing off screen that you cannot see. Set the oven to 350 degrees. Dad can do it.
Okay, now you're going to do it. I'll show you. So, you hit bake.
Jameson is going to dump the cake mix into the bowl. Are you ready? Let's move these eggs. Here you go.
Did she say?
350. 350 degrees is really hot, friends.
See that that means you're preheating. And then see this temperature, temp time?
Yeah.
If you want.
All right. These are our mixing tools. You can use regular spoons or mixing tools. This one has a little chicken on it. It's pretty cute. How many mixing tools do we have, Jameson? Count for my friends.
1, 2, 3.
3 mixing tools. Now we need to get... Audrie's got the water. Oh, how many eggs do we need to get? Do you see? Can you see how many eggs are in that picture?
3 and 4.
We need 3 eggs. Count out. 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Audrie's got them. 1 cup of water. She's pouring it in.
It says 3 egg white, 4 egg whites.
We're not doing the egg white version.
Okay.
There's 2 ways you can make this, friends, and we're going to use the whole eggs instead of the egg whites. So Audrie's going to crack 1 egg. Then Jameson's going to crack 1 egg, and I'm going to crack 1 egg.
Smells so good. Mommy, you cracked. Making cake is fun. And it makes you really hungry. It smells really good.
Gotta hit it a little harder than that, right? I like to take my egg and tap it around. Tap, tap, tap,
Make sure
and then you
get no
split it.
eggshell in there.
You throw it away. You have to wash your hands after you touch eggs.
And make sure you don't get any shell in there.
You know what? We didn't add oil. We need here. You need help splitting it? Look at that egg, friends. Look. Here, shake it out. There we go. You did it. We have to add 1/3 a cup of oil. Jameson is going to use the measuring cup to do that.
Oh, I want to fill it. I want to mix it.
Mix in a minute.
Can I,
Ready? Help.
Can I pour it?
1, 2, 3. Oh, stop. Too fast. Okay. Now pour it in, JMO. You got to pour in the water.
Okay.
JMO's
I
turn.
want to pour the oil.
Now,
That's okay.
we're going to mix it up really good.
Okay. I want to mix it. I'm gonna use this. No, I want to mix it. We can both
Mix it. That's why we have 3 mixing tools.
I'm using this one. This one's really
Try to break up
Smash
the little yellow egg yolks.
Don't smash it too hard though.
When we get it all mixed up, what are we going to do, friends?
We're gonna put it in the pans. I think.
Oh my gosh.
Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
I wanna try this. It looks so
So
good.
we did a lot of math today. We counted our eggs and we measured our ingredients and we found numbers on our stove. And you don't have to make cake. You can make lots of stuff, but cooking with your families is a good way to do math.
Tangling me up.
All right, friends.
Here, I'm gonna keep
We're
it.
going to turn it off. What we do next is we will pour all the batter into these cake
Can
pans.
I lick it off?
And then we will bake it.
Can I lick
Not
it?
right now. We will bake it for 15 minutes and let it cool for 10 minutes before we put on icing.
I'll count
Thanks for
to
joining us
15
with our
minutes.
cooking idea. Bye, friends.